So in this video, I'm going to cover the client portal in Lawmatics. So what this entails is everything the client can see that's allowed from their matter in Lawmatics. So the first thing is when you're in a matter, the client portal is at the top with the little hands, and you just click that and you can give anybody access. Now this is our sandbox system. So here you can see Beth, she has access, and then these are participants in the matter, but they all have access. And it says if it's been accepted, if it's been sent, and it says what their relationship to the matter is. So once you give who you want access, they're going to get an email, and they just click in the email to get access to the client portal. They create a login, and then here's what they see. They get this, and so if they have access to several portals, they can drop this down and switch. But in the dashboard, you can assign them tasks. So if I go here and I just say I want to create a task, and we're just going to quickly create a task that says sign fee agreement. And then you can put a note, please sign, whatever you want. And you can even add subtasks, but we're not going to get into that right now. And then you can choose who it's assigned to. So for this one, I'm going to put it to myself. Perfect. It was assigned by, you can associate it with people, you can do tags, and you can mark it done. So when you say create task, I don't think it's going to show here just because of how we have this set up for our sandbox. But if you refresh this, the task would show up here for the client to complete. Complete the form before your consultation, pay the bill. All of this, you can give them tasks. Any appointments they have scheduled, they'll show here automatically of upcoming. Any agreements you've sent them, they'll show up here. They can click them, view them, and sign them. If you request them to drop files, like asset information, they can do that on file requests because we've sent them a file request and it shows right here. If we need them to complete any forms, like asset information or whatnot, we can put the forms here and put a task that says, please go to forms and complete this form. So this is really their hub. But then they can get into the files section. They can upload a file. You can give them access to folders in there so it automatically will organize it, or they can just upload files and they go directly into the matter automatically. And then it also shows your agreements that you sent out for signature up here. On the calendar, it will show all their upcoming appointments that they have scheduled right here. It'll show invoices. It'll show past invoices, current invoices. They can click the invoice to pay it. And then they can go to forms and see what forms they have, what the status is, and then they can just click this little button to open the form. They can do a little bit now and submit, come back, do a little more later. And then it'll say complete when it's done. And then the form submissions will show down here once they're complete. And again, this is all talking directly to the matter. Messages. So you can send messages to the system. So they can say, I just signed the fee agreement. And they can hit submit. And then in your Lawmatics system under messages, you can reply back and you can chat with them. And then firm info, it just gives them the name of who they can reach out to in your firm with email, phone number, whatever else you want to share. So this is the client portal. Very powerful for clients to really have knowledge of what's going on in their case. So if you do want any type of access or learning how to do this and implementing it in your law firm, schedule a free discovery meeting. The link is in the description. And we can go over this with you and help you get your Lawmatics portal set up to start giving clients access to have visibility into their matter.